Back in 2012, we developed a product that brought new life to drinking water. Coconut palm, grown in the tropics and known around the world as the golden coconut, has a population of 21.44 million and also a high filtration capacity in its shell. That's why we chose it. After being heated to 600 degrees Celsius, a carbon rod is shaped from the coconut ash. But the process is not complete yet. The pH is adjusted by the acid water, and the carbon rod is completely formed. The newly formed carbon rod is then wrapped in pure PP rigid plastic and LG cotton. These are needed to ensure the optimal performance of the carbon rod. The automated workshop is in the process of mass production in an orderly manner. After finishing packaging, loading out of the warehouse, the package will be on its way to any states. And we ship directly to every household within a few days. When you need to change the water filter, why not try our online store? Ordering takes just a few minutes, and our filters fit every refrigerator. Order now and put our filters to the test.